So good afternoon, class, or good morning, or whatever. So today we'll be talking about something relatively simple. Our last lesson for um, matrices, at least for EcoMath. So we'll be talking about Leontief input-output matrices, specifically on how we solve for the total output of industry X, Y, and Z. So remember, you're supposed to find I minus A first, and this matrix is the matrix that you will be inverting and multiplying to final demand to get your total output. So let's start with that. So again, we need to look for I minus A first. The thing is though, do you have to set your I matrix manually, or is there a shortcut in doing it? Well, as with everything, of course, there's a shortcut. So go to Mathematica and type identity matrix, and you'll see over there the word identity matrix pops up. So select that, open, close square bracket, and then type the dimensions that you want the identity matrix to be. In this case, you want an identity matrix of 3 because your input-output matrix here is 3, or rather your technical coefficients matrix is 3 by 3. So press Shift Enter, and you'll see that Mathematica will generate a 3 by 3 identity matrix for you. So let's now start solving the exercise. So let me just type the technical coefficients matrix first. So you have 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, 0.4, 0.1, 0.2, yada 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 yada. So there, we finally have our technical coefficients matrix. So what we're inverting is, we're getting the inverse of the 3 by 3 identity matrix. So identity matrix, open close square bracket with 3 inside, minus A dot, well, we can simply specify our 3 by 1 matrix as another matrix. So let that be 10, 5, and 6. Then we get this answer. Therefore, the total output of each sector, or if of sector X, must be 24.84. The total output of sector Y must be 20.67, and the total output of sector Z must be 18.36. So this is how you solve for input-output matrices manually in Mathematica. So of course, let's try to do the same thing for number 2. So let's first set again the technical coefficients matrix as matrix A for number 2. So now that we've done that, once again, let's use the inverse command. Inverse. I'm having a hard time typing right now. Oof. So inverse identity identity matrix 3 minus A times our final demand matrix, which is a 3 by 1. So it's 1800, 200, and 900. Press Shift Enter, and you will get your results. So yeah, solving for input-output matrices in Mathematica is relatively simple, because all you have to do is pretty much enter the commands. Other than that, please do answer this exercise, submit it through Canvas, and also submit the Seatwork through Canvas as well. So it's up to you if you want to answer it in the lab or at home if you have Mathematica. But the submission is pretty much the same. So I'll be posting about the exact deadline in the Facebook group. And that's it. So of course, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm just kidding, I don't have one. So yeah, bye bye.